Yeah, this is me, Malachi. You might know me from last week with my brother. Yeah, yeah, from all our videos. So we're gonna show you on the King of Elsa. Maybe you have seen it, but I'm gonna sing some songs funny songs that they sung on there. First one is called Friday, Friday. Wanna hear it? Here it goes. And I hope you like it.
7 a.m. waking up really horny. Gotta be fresh talking about downstairs. Gotta take the pill, gotta have cereal. Take a huge dump in the toilet bowl. Wipe my ass, pick my mole. Now I gotta get down to the bus stop. Taking the bus, I see over there. He's drinking in the front seat, trying to adopt me. I'm wearing crotchless panties. Which seat do I take?
Get my car! Get my car! Come here!
It's Friday, Friday, I'm so slimy on Friday. All the kids are horny on the weekend. Friday, 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 I'm so whiny on Friday. 4 days after Monday to past Wednesday, it's Friday. Partying, partying, yeah! In the back of some guy's car. Fun, 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 fun,
Stop!
fun,
Shut up!
fun.
Shut up! Stop it! Shut up! Wait. If today was Friday, what was yesterday?
Yesterday was Thursday, Thursday. Today it is Friday, Friday. We, I just went we. I got excited and pissed my panties today. Tomorrow is Saturday and Sunday comes afterwards. And then it's Monday and Tuesday and then it becomes Wednesday, which is followed by Thursday. And then it's Friday again.
Jerking me in the front seat, kid in the back seat, drinking shrimp juice, puking, fast lane, switching lanes, car up the side, at the bike, school bus in front of me, wing bong, check out my teen, check my time, Friday, weekend, gonna get slutty.
Come on, yo.
All you little boys and girls, come on, get my car, I got enough shrimp juice for everybody.
It's Friday, Friday, I'm so whiny on Friday. All the kids are horny on the weekend. Friday, 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 I'm so slutty on Friday. 4 days after Monday to past Wednesday, it's Friday. Partying, partying, yeah, in the back of some guy's car. Fun, 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 fun. Just another slutty Friday.
You saw that, people? That's called Friday. It's a nice song. Yeah. That's kind of a nice song. You guys want to hear something funnier? Okay. Let's just wait. Lastly, channel. What's up? That's me. What's up with the wing on.
Can the network you
What's up? What you been?
Wake up in the morning looking greener than Shrek.
Where is that donkey?
Sleeping in a tub can really. Wake up in the morning looking greener.
This one's gotta be funny.
Ducky Blossom. Do you have a song by another artist that you wish you had?
Here's another song. It's really funny. You might like it, but it's nice.
Oh, yeah. Everyone now. Come on now.
Just gonna ride past you on my bike. That's alright because I'm not sure who I like. Why did you give me an Indian bird? I told the principal because it really hurt. You're such a stupid jerk.
I can't tell her that I like her.
I can only go with a spitball.
She should know that it means the same thing after all. I threw glue at her just to get a reaction. She was a distraction from addition and fractions. Drew a picture of her cause I thought she was neat. We've always been close cause we have assigned seats. I'll never forget when I passed her that note cause she checked the box yes and that's all that she wrote. From then it was great, then we had a play date. We played house and she made me a fake Play-Doh steak. The next day I saw something that I'll never forget. She was playing and laying with Kyle in the ball pit. I started to cry and lay down on the floor. I said, you're a fart face, I don't like you no more. I want you out of my heart, but you're stuck like a splinter. Goodbye, my mom's calling me for dinner.
You said mean things and you ran away. That's okay, it must have been opposite day. You stole my heart and you stole my life. That's alright because I love the way you like. Love the way you like.
Now I apologize for wiping boogers on your jacket and backpack. I wish that it didn't, I wish that I could backtrack to the day before they made me sit in the corner. This feels like a third grade restraining order. I knew that I loved you at first, but I fought it. My heart was a kickball, then you suddenly caught it. I'm sorry, but there's something I must confess. It was me who ripped off your Nintendo DS. I felt bad and returned it while you were busy napping. We're together again, it's just like it never happened. I dressed up as Weasley and you were Hermione. You said you had spells that could make me less whiny. You colored inside of the lines of my heart cause you opened me up and then you cut a fart in my heart. I'm so bored with these games that we're playing. I guess that's why they call them board games.
Well, I am rubber and you are glue. Words bounce off of me and then stick onto you. Did you just call me a doo-doo pie? That's alright, I know you are, but what am I? I know you are, but what am I?
Whoa! You saw that?
Ducky of Awesome. So I want to give a big thanks to the good people at La-Di-Da, a very, very cool app that I actually used to help me write the
So that was my other song.
Ducky of Awesome.
Do you have a song by another
That was a
artist?
really funny song. This is my next song.
I'm not afraid.
Damn, it's really bright up here. I guess I should have brought some sunglasses if I knew we were shooting a video outside. Now some of you out there might be up on your roof talking to yourself too. But you ain't famous rappers, so no one cares. Now if you excuse me, I'm going downstairs.
You can try and throw away my lyric sheets before I can read them. Ha!
Hey, this is me right here. And I want to show you my new song. Listen.
Damn, it's really bright up here. I guess I should have brought some sunglasses if I knew we were shooting a video outside. Now some of you out there might be up on your roof talking to yourself too. But you ain't famous rappers, so no one cares. Now if you excuse me, I'm going downstairs.
You can try and throw away my lyric sheets before I can read them. Ha! Too bad I got them memorized, I don't even need them. Yeah, I still got homophobic lines, but you can't get upset cause that fag Elton John and I once did a duet. To my fans, I apologize for ruining your life. I'll get back to writing songs about murdering my wife. He spits his lines up every time without any rehearsal. Sometimes he rhymes about himself in the third person. His rapping is hilarious, so completely serious. And if you make fun of him, then he will get freaking furious. Cause he can dish it out, but he just can't take it. Like a baker who hates cake, but always bakes it. Who's this dude looking at me? He looks just like me. He's clocking me, mocking me. I think he wants to fight me. Ow, I tried to hit the man, but he broke my hand and then he ran. Must have been a crazy fan. Oh damn, there he is again. I'm not afraid to throw a chair. It was from IKEA. So I don't care. I'm the street. I'm wearing shape-ups on my feet. I'm just like you, I've been there too. I'm rich and famous, so I take that back. It's not true. It was my decision to do drugs. I did it for fun, but now I'm done. Now I'll get back to making puns about Kim Kardashian and her 2-ton buns of fun so gargantuan that they block out the sun. I'm the world's greatest rapper, a fact that's undisputed, but for some reason I act like I'm persecuted. If you think I'm a turkey, well then you can just stuff it. I'm the only MC to have a beef with a puppet. I could rap about Afghanistan, Iraq, or BP, but I'd rather make fun of some minor celebrities. Here's a list of people that I'd like to impeach: Patricia Heaton, Will Wheaton, Ruben stuttered and screeched. But I won't diss Kanye or Lil Wayne, that ain't fun. They're both really nice and they ain't hurt no one. Screw Michael J. Fox, cause he shakes when he walks. Aren't you glad that I'm back to get this message across? I'm not afraid to get really pissed, at all my critics that hardly exist. I'm such a whiny baby, I'll keep complaining. I'm rich as hell, my records sell. I'm such